Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Today's word is bet, a B2 level verb that means to risk money on an outcome. So, what exactly does it mean to bet? Well, it's all about predicting a result and putting something valuable, usually money, on the line. You're essentially saying, I believe this will happen, and I'm willing to risk something to prove it. Think of it like this. If you bet on your favorite sports team, you're predicting they'll win. And if they do, you win some money, but if they lose, you lose your bet. Now, let's explore some synonyms for bet. A good synonym is wager. You could say, I wagered $20 on the horse race. Another synonym is gamble. For example, he likes to gamble at the casino. A third synonym is stake. We can say, she staked her reputation on the success of the project. A fourth synonym is punt. Someone might say, I'm going to punt on this stock, hoping it will go up. And lastly, risk. For instance, they risked a lot of money on the venture. Now, let's look at some antonyms, words that mean the opposite of bet. One antonym is guarantee. The company guaranteed the product would work. Another is ensure. We need to ensure the safety of all participants. Another is protect. The insurance will protect you from financial loss. Yet another is safeguard. The new policies are intended to safeguard the environment. And finally, secure. The bank tried to secure the loan against default. So, how can we use bet in everyday life? Well, you might bet on the weather. I bet it's going to rain later. Or you might bet on who will win an election. I bet she'll win the election. You can even use it in a non-monetary sense. For example, I bet you can't eat that whole pizza, which means you doubt they can. Here are a few more usage examples. He bet all his savings on the stock market. She bet me a coffee that she would finish the report by 5 p.m. I wouldn't bet on him winning. He's not very good. The company is betting big on renewable energy sources. Are you willing to bet your career on this project? It's a safe bet that prices will increase next year. I'd bet my bottom dollar that he's lying. Don't bet on it happening anytime soon. He lost a lot of money betting on horses. She bet that the train would be late. And she was right. Now, let's summarize what we've learned about bet. It's a B2 level verb that means to risk money on an outcome. We explored synonyms like wager, gamble, stake, punt, and risk, and antonyms like guarantee, ensure, protect, safeguard, and secure. We also looked at various ways to use bet in everyday conversations and phrases. I hope you found this episode helpful and that you've added a new word to your vocabulary. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. Remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And one more thing. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word bet and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to read them. Until next time, happy learning.